Look closely, a comfy toy. Someone loves this very much. Wake up, Sam, sunshine. Time for a big stretch. What's he thinking? Something feels a little off. Daisy, a soft call. Where could his friend be? Here's Daisy, floppy ears and a gentle tail wag. Pat pat, but wait, something important is missing. Sniff sniff, Daisy's looking around. Where did it go? Your bone, Daisy, did you lose it somewhere? Peek behind the chair, Daisy's sniffing down low. Under the blanket? Nope. Daisy checks the cushions. Looking under the table together, sniff, sniff. By the books now, Sam looks, Daisy peeks too. Into the sunny kitchen they go. Let's keep looking. Behind the chairs, not there. Daisy sniffs her bowls. Outside in the sunshine, maybe it's in the yard. Daisy sniffs the flowers. Sam looks at the leaves. Peeking by the bush, what could be hiding? Lots of leaves, but no bone. Keep searching. Oh no, said Puppy Eyes. Sam gives a gentle pat. Wait, what's that peeking out over there? He found it. Daisy's bone. Hooray! Happy wags. Daisy's so excited to see it. Gentle grab. Daisy loves her special toy. All cozy now. Happy chewing in the sun.